Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice math algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, the first thing you want to do is to simply rearrange this equation and set the equation to 0. So rearranging this, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 30 and this is equals to 0. But 30 can be expressed as 27 plus 3. So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus, in place of 30 we are going to put 27 plus 3 and this is equals to 0. So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus times 27 will give us minus 27, minus times plus is minus 3 and this is equals to 0. But 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 and this is equals to 0. So rearranging this, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. So from this point up to this point, we want to simply apply the difference of cubic formula that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. So applying this formula, so from here up to this point, and we have that a is equals to x and b is equals to 3. Alright, so applying this, we have this to be x minus 3 multiply x square plus x multiply 3 plus 3 square plus x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 3 multiply x square plus x multiply 3 is 3x plus 3 square is 9 plus x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. So the next thing we want to do is to simply factor out the common term, and we have the common term to be x minus 3. So if we factor out x minus 3, we are going to have x squared plus 3x plus 9, and if we factor out x minus 3 from here, we're going to have this to be plus 1 and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 3 multiply x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus 1 is going to give us plus 10 and this is equals to 0. So from this, if we apply this, if we have ab is equals to 0, this implies that a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0, right? So applying this right here, we have this to be x minus 3 is equals to 0 and we have x squared plus 3x plus 10 and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that x is equals to 0 plus 3 and x is equals to 3. So I'm going to call this x1. So right here we have been able to find the first value of x. So to solve for this, we want to simply apply the quadratic formula. So applying the quadratic formula, and we have the quadratic formula to be given as x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divide 2a, and we have a to be equals to 1, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 10. So applying this, we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of b square is 3 square minus 4 multiply a is 1 and c is 10 divide 2 multiply a which is 1. So we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 10 will give us minus 40 divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 9 minus 40 is minus 31 divide 2. So from here we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus. Now the root of 31 can be expressed as 31 multiply the root of negative 1 over 2, and we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the root of 31 multiply the root of minus 1 over 2, but the root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 31i over 2. So we have been able to get the other values of x. So right, I'm going to say hence the values of x are, so we have the values of x to be, now we have x1 is equal to, so right here we have x1 to be equals to 3. So we have x1 is equals to 3, x2 is equals to minus 3 plus the root of 31i over 2, and we have x3 is equals to minus 3 minus the root of 31i over 2. So we have been able to solve for this right here, and this becomes the values of x in this question. Alright, so with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. And if you do like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to Mathematical Mindset and give this video a thumbs up.